Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy KDZ, and today we got a different video. It's not the regular Block Fruits video. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Discord server, sort of like mine. You can change it up to look however you want it to be, but someone requested or asked me, how do I make my Discord server, to make it like for your YouTube or for your gaming or for anything really. Just make it useful to you. That's what I'm trying to say. So anyways, so let's take a look at my server here. Okay, you can see I have a bunch of text channels, all right, and at the bottom I have voice channels. Each of these are in a category. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new server. We'll call it test. Wait, YouTube test. We'll call it YouTube test. All right, create that. So when you first start your server, it's going to look something like this. It's a little plain, it's a little boring, but we can fix that up. The first thing you want to do is add text channels. All right, what you want to do is you want to have a welcome, create channel. You want to have a rules channel, because you always need rules for one of these. What else would you need? Announcements, that's important. Next thing you're gonna need is like okay, so if this is for your YouTube videos, you can add a YouTube video, YouTube vids, kind of thing for your YouTube or whatever you're using it for. You don't have to have YouTube vids, but if you make YouTube and you want to be a content creator, I advise you to have a YouTube text channel for you to post your videos on. The next one, you want to have, well, in my channel, I have a memes channel. You don't have to have a memes channel, but like, most people don't even put memes in there on my server yet, but some people might, so we're gonna add it in there anyway. And the next one, you want to have bot commands. All right, bot commands are important. Bot commands are gonna help your Discord grow a ton faster than without bots. I'm telling you right now. You want to have ranks. You also want to have music commands. If you don't have music, well, you don't have to. But if you want to have a music thing, you're gonna need it, trust me on that one. So music commands, CMDS means commands if you did not know. Let's look down. We need admin chat for your admins in your server. You want to add moderator chat, of course, for your moderators. Okay, and then you also want to have, so now you want to add voice calls. Voice calls are important too. You're gonna need game chats, not one but two game chats, just in case. And it's optional if you want two or one music voice calls. All right, we'll just call it music like this. Boom, there you have it. Those are the main things you're gonna need when it comes to this. Like just to start, you can add them as you move on. I have a bunch of mine server. They keep growing, like it keeps growing. So just grow your server, and you're really just gonna learn how things work, and you can just do whatever as you please. All right. The next thing you want to do is add categories. Okay. So let's see. What you're gonna do is right click in an open space, create category. We're gonna name this one welcome. Right. Create category. Put it up top. You want to have the first thing on here because this is what people are going to first see. So you want to put the welcome in there, and you also want to put the rules in there. Okay. The next thing you want to do is add important, such as, and put a couple exclamation marks, because important is important, and just makes it feel a little more important that way. Anyways, you want to put announcements in there. That's announcements in there. You also want to put your YouTube vids, because those are important. That's really it. You really add things as you go. Okay, the next thing you want to do is add text channels. Create category, text channels. So such like that. Text channels, put it below important, just like that. You want to put general in there. You want to put memes. And as far as that goes, that's text things. Like I said, you can add them. You can add things if you don't agree with what I'm putting in there right now. You also want to have a moderation channel. Okay, this is important for your admins and moderators. Okay. Wait a second. I have two text channels, don't I? That's embarrassing. We'll just keep it for now. Okay. The first thing you want to do is put admin chat and moderation, along with moderator chat. Okay. Then you want to, since this is here, we're just gonna rename it. Edit category. You want to rename it to bot commands. Save changes. And then boom, you've got your text channels, you've got them organized in categories. Okay, that's really all you need for then. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is this is optional as well. Okay, I'm gonna put emojis in here. I'm gonna cut the video right here, but I'm gonna put emojis. Feel free to copy them if you would like. But yeah, let me put them in there really quick. Alright guys, so we got the emojis going right now. As you see it, feel free to pause, copy, do as you please. Alright, this is what we've got right now. That's third or fourth, I don't remember. What you're going to need to do is come here to the top, go to server settings, go to roles, and this is where you're going to make roles. Roles are super duper important, like super important. I cannot stress this enough. Alright, so what you want to do is add your first role. Alright, we're going to do the first one, like me. We're going to do owner. Alright. Make it your own color, I'm gonna choose. Let's choose one of our own colors. So let's go to blue. Yeah, that's our color. All right. What you want to do is you always want to have this on when you make a role, unless if you don't want to display them differently. Okay. You don't want people to mention really. You really just want everything. This is the owner. This is you. You're the only one gonna have this thing. All right. Just put everything. This is you just want everything on here for sure, just like this. Alright, that's that. Let's go ahead and save it just in case. Wait, forgot one. Okay, now we're gonna add one. Next thing we're gonna add is admin. Okay, each of these should have a different color. We're gonna make this one just green just for the time being. Alright, you want to display them differently. You want to add really just administrator for admin. Alright, no other permissions gonna have this but admin. Alright, let's add another one. We're gonna name it moderator. Take the moderator, let's make it pink, because why not? Display it differently. You don't want to have this on there. Okay, you just want basically this right here. So forget all these, right, and just go from here and then down. Mark everything like this. Once you mark all of these, we're gonna move on to the next one. Alright, save that. Okay, then we're gonna move to your subscribers. Alright, we're gonna make this one purple. Okay, and we're gonna display them differently. Basically, just leave it. All you want to do is display it differently. You don't want to have anything extra involved or anything like that. Just leave it just like that. Alright. Alright, next thing we're gonna add is the content creator. We're gonna make this one, let's make it some kind of red color, like a deep red, yeah, like really bright. Alright, that's that. Display it differently, and that's it, basically. You're just gonna have content creator for the people to know. You're also gonna have a channel for them if you would like for them to post their content in there, okay? Let's go ahead and save it. We're gonna add bot. Make it yellow. Once you have it bot, everything that like once they see it, they're like, oh, this is a bot. All right, you want to display it differently, and that's it. That's literally it. Save changes, and boom, there you have it. We're gonna give myself the owner role, admin, administrator, subscriber, content creator, everything. Okay, when you click on your name, you've got these right here. All right, that's all the roles. Okay, next thing you're gonna want is settings for your text channels. Okay, so people can't just type in any channel, they can read it, maybe not type. All right, we're gonna move to that. All right, okay, so we got our welcome thing, and you don't want anyone to just like come in here and start just chatting away in your welcome thing. That's not what you want. So what you want to do is go to edit channel permissions, go to at everyone, right? And what you want to do is make sure they can read messages but not send messages. So basically after that, just boom, just get rid of everything. Reactions, you don't want reactions in here. Okay, save changes. That means anyone who comes in, they can read it, but they will not be able to type. We're gonna do the same thing here for the rules. Right, that's what you're gonna want to do. Now we're gonna go to announcements, Same thing, just make sure, you know, that they can read, but they cannot type or anything like that. Now this one's different. We got YouTube videos for your content creators. What you want to do is go to permissions, add everyone. They can read messages, not send. Okay, so we're going to take all of these away, like so. Okay, and then when you're going to want to add one, we're going to put content creator. These guys can read messages, send messages, you know. These guys are, you got a special thing for them. Alright, attach files, read message history, you know, just basically everything for this, because it's their thing for that. Alright, save changes. That's that for the YouTube vid. And then you want to do general memes. They can read, type, bot commands, read, type, admin chat. Alright, this is important. Okay, basically you want to do the same thing. Everyone read. You don't want them to read or send messages or anything. This is only for admins, right? So we're gonna get rid of all of these and then add admin chat. And this thing, you want to just check everything. Okay, save changes. This is only for admins, alright? It's different from moderator. Let's see, go to permissions, go to add everyone. No reading, no sending, no anything for everyone, right? And then come up here, add a role. We're gonna add admin, right? Just check everything for admin, right? Everything that's on. And then check everything for moderator. Alright, check everything for moderator, just like this. Alright, we're just gonna save it there. This is an official server, but for you, you're gonna want to go through all of those and do as you think, do what you want. Alright, and that's basically it, guys. Wait. One more thing, bots. You're gonna want to add bots. Hold on. Alright, guys. Once you get your bots in, you want to make sure each and every one has the bot role. Okay. Once they have the bot role, go to server settings really quick. Go to roles. Look at the top. You want to make sure Me6, Rhythm, server stats, any bot you have is above everything, even owner. Okay. People are not going to see that it's above, but you want it above for them to work properly. Once that happens, you get server stats. It shows you your servers. Me6 is just a great bot to have to start your Discord server, and Rhythm is for your music channel. Okay, that's the video. Make sure you guys, you know, it makes. Okay, yep. That's the video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, swing on over to the like button. If this helped you guys, make sure you comment down below. This helped. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend.